Welcome students. We are going to learn the first lesson of class 10, similarity in geometry. Similarity means the two triangles are similar if ABC and triangle PQR are similar, then their corresponding angles, angle A is similar to angle P, angle B is similar to angle Q, angle C is similar to angle R, and angle B is similar to angle Q, and their corresponding sides are in proportions. Now we have to find the area ratio of areas of these two triangles. Now we know that the ratio is the first quantity divided by the second quantity, and the area of any triangle is the half into base into height. Area of any triangle is the half into base into height. Therefore, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to the BC, and AD is height and BC is the base, and in triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base of PQR triangle. Now find the ratio of areas of two triangles is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base B1 into height H1 divided by half into base B2 into height H2. This is the base B2 and height H2. Now find this ratio of areas of two triangles is half get cancelled. Base B1 is BC into height is AD divided by base B2 is QR multiply height of triangle PQR is H2 is PS. Therefore, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the product of their corresponding bases and their corresponding heights. This is the property number 1. Now in this triangle, in another triangle, ABC is the base of both the triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD, and the height is different. Therefore, to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles is the area of triangle ABD divided by the area of triangle ABC is equal to half of get cancelled, and height is base is AB multiply height H2, and base is in ABC triangle, base is AB and height is H1. AB get cancelled, and the ratio is H2 divided by H1. That means the ratio of areas of two triangles with the same base is equal to their ratio of their corresponding heights. This is the second property. Now the third property is in triangle ABD and triangle ADC, the height of both the triangles is same, AD, and base in triangle ABD is BD, and in triangle ADC is base is DC. Therefore, we have to find the ratio of areas of A, B, C divided by area of ADB is equal to half into base into height, base B1 into height H1, and divided by half base B2 into height H2. Therefore, half get cancelled. B1 of ADC triangle is base is DC multiply height is AD divided by base of triangle ADB is BD multiply height is AD. Therefore, AD get cancelled and the ratio is DC divided by BD is, this is the third property, means the ratio of areas of two triangles with the height same is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now it's turn for studying the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. The statement of the basic proportionality theorem is, if the line L is parallel to any side of a given triangle, they intersect the remaining two sides AB and AC into two distinct points P and Q, then the line L divides the side in the same proportion, means AP and PB, AQ and QC. We have to give on here, in triangle ABC, line L is parallel to segment BC. To prove that AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC, and the construction is, now to construct here, join BQ and PC and to draw the perpendicular QM on AP and PN on AQ. Write down the construction here. Segment join BQ and PC and MQ perpendicular to AP and PN perpendicular to AQ. Now we have to prove this BPT theorem. To prove this, we have to prove of this theorem. In this triangle APQ and triangle PQB, in triangle APQ and triangle PBQ, to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles is the area of triangle APQ divided by the area of triangle PBQ is equal to half into base into height divided by half into base into height of triangle PQB. Half of get cancelled and the product of their bases and their corresponding heights. So, in triangle APQ, the height is QM and the base is AP. And in another triangle PBQ, the height is QM and the base is PB. Base into height, base into height. QM get cancelled and the ratio of areas of these two triangles is AP divided by PB. This is the first equation. In another equation, we have to solve in triangle APQ and in triangle PQC. Now, in triangle APQ and triangle PQC, the ratio of areas of these two triangles, therefore the area of triangle APQ divided by the area of PQC is equal to half of get cancelled, and the base of APQ is APQ triangle. In triangle APQ, base is AQ and the height is PN. And in another triangle PQC, the base is QC and the height is PN. Here PN get cancelled and the ratio of areas of these two triangles is AQ divided by QC. This is the second equation. Now, in trapezium BCQP or PQCB, in trapezium PB parallel to BC and these two triangles BPQ and CPQ are the same height, are in the same height. That means the height is like this. Therefore, the area of both the triangles are equal. Therefore, area of triangle BPQ is equal to area of triangle CPQ. This is the third equation. From equation first, second and third, we get from equation 1, 2 and 3, we get AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. Hence proof. I hope you understand the three properties of ratio of areas of two similar triangles and the basic proportionality theorem. Thank you.